So I've got a 2020 Jetta here, and this is in for some interior work. I forgot to start recording as soon as I started this, so I apologize. I have this front part snapped off and removed already, and basically how I did this is I went online and I got some plastic trim tools like this, and I kind of stuck in and worked my way around and kind of snapped the front of it up. I just kind of went behind the edge and peeled. It just basically pops down. You can break it, so be careful. Then I took the connectors out, and I got to do the same thing over here, so you can see. There goes the cover right in my face. And back behind this, these are T20 or T25. I'm pretty sure they're T20s. There's 4 of them here that hold this console up. And then when you pull this down, you'll have to undo these connectors and transfer the connectors over to the new place. It's that sunglass holder thing. It's not snapping in anymore. It's broken. So I literally just pushed in with my plastic tool, clipped it out, and I got the whole center console instead of just the case for the sunglass holder. Anyhow, I'll go ahead and get this out of here now and show you what it looks like with it out of here. Alright, I took those T20s out. There's some leaves that are kind of built up in here and some dust. Go ahead and clean all that off while you're here. Just kind of be careful with. And there's a connector here that's got to come off. These connectors are kind of tricky to get off of here, so you got to be really careful because you could end up damaging it. This one looks like it's got a little slot right there you got to push into and pry back, because that's got to come unlocked from that tab, or you got to pry the actual plastic housing away from the connector and then slide it out. And that's what I did. I took like a little pocket screwdriver and I stuck it underneath the plastic, and I pried this piece up and slid the connector out. And now I need to take this pocket screwdriver and get this to pop out of here so I can transfer this over to the new unit over here. So let me get this out of here next. Alright, I used that same screwdriver and I went with these big tabs right here, and I just put a light pressure and pushed from the outside until this popped through. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it back in. It will only go in one way. There's an alignment tab in the center here. This piece right here in the middle is the alignment tab. Just like that. And then take your pick. Same thing. Pry here. And then right here. And then right here and right here, and push it out. And there it is, snapped into the new housing. If you want to flip it around so you get a feel for what it looks like, go like this and look at it from an upwards position, and everything's exactly as it should be while it's in here. So then go ahead and put this connector back in up here, and then start feeding your other connectors through, and go ahead and get this screwed back in. Now this piece is back in. You're going to go ahead and get this piece. This basically fell right out when I unsnapped this the front corner here. It basically fell right out of my lap. So I'm going to get this snapped back in and get the connectors and stuff put in, and then a little trim piece put back over it. And this is what it looks like with the connectors put back in. And then basically what happens is there's like, it just kind of snaps into the housing here. Like that. And then you have a cover that goes on it. Like that. And then there's this cover that goes on the front. Come on. Oh, this got to go bottom first, that's why. Like that. And there you go. You got your overhead console kind of rebuilt, put back together with a new piece. There's also a trim piece that goes over here. That's this front piece right here. Basically, it should just unsnap from it. Yeah, like that. And then when you go put all this back, you can transfer it over. They gave me a new one. I don't know why. It's not necessary. So there it is. That's put back in. But I got to get this little trim piece here as well. It's missing, and I don't have that yet. So that will be one of my next videos. If you're missing this, leave me a comment down in the comment section below and let me know if you're interested in seeing how this piece is made, or is replaced. But overall, that's the overhead console. That's how you do it. And if you're looking for a part number for the overhead console, it is 17A 868837 Alpha 82 Victor. This is the information you need right here. And if you're looking for this piece here, which they got me and I didn't need, I need the actual piece in front of it. The part number for that, 17A 867 927 Alpha 82 Victor. And if you're wondering what tools I use to do the job, it would say Harbor Freight Ballard electric impact, a T20 Torx bit, a little star bit T20, and a little flat blade screwdriver that is complimentary off the tool truck. But I'll have these things linked down below so you can buy them too. I appreciate watching the video. Thank you. Have a great day.